The farmers here are happily settled. Here, in the district of Kuch Bihar, the district located in the northeast of West Bengal, adjoining to Assam. With the scarcity of cow dung, due to development of modern technological infrastructure, vermicomposting has been gaining high popularity among the farmers here. It is a low-cost but a high-value product, can easily be achievable plenty from local resources. The worms are of the basics in getting vermicomposting fertilizers. The worms are capable of rapid growth, can feed themselves with wasted materials like the animal wastes, cotton clothes, tree leaves, etc., and thus discharge wastes heavily to form high-quality vermicomposting. A tank is to be made having 3 feet width, 1.5 feet height, and more or less 6 to 10 feet length in a comparatively smaller tank. Organics are to be mixed with cow dung and 2% of urea mixture. If possible, the tank is to be covered up with polythene. After 4 to 6 weeks, these organics could be put into the main tank. And worms would be put in. The upper portion of the tank would be covered with a jute bag. After a few days, the organic vermicomposting could be seen with the wastes from the worms just under the jute bag.